Creating an Amazon Prime Video account allows you to enjoy streaming a vast library of movies, TV shows, and original content. Here's a brief guide. Visit the Amazon website. Open a web browser and go to the Amazon website. Sign up. Click on the Hello Sign In at the top right corner and then create your Amazon account. Provide information. Enter your name, email address, and create a strong password. Confirm the password. Mobile number. Adding a mobile number is optional but recommended for account recovery and security. Verification code. Amazon will send the verification code to the email address you provided. Enter this code to verify your email. Payment information. Enter your payment method. This will be used if you decide to subscribe to Amazon Prime or make purchases. Set your location. Provide your country and postal code. Create your Amazon account. After filling in the required information, click Create your Amazon account. Prime Video subscription. You can subscribe to Amazon Prime, which includes Prime Video, for additional benefits like fast shipping and more extensive content access. This step is optional. Start streaming. Once your account is created, you can log into Amazon Prime Video with your email address and password and start streaming your favorite movies and TV shows. Keep your Amazon account information secure and enjoy the content available on Amazon Prime Video.